There's a silent thief that creeps up on us as we age: muscle loss. It's a sneaky process, with losses of 3 to 8% per decade after the age of 30. Hello, everyone. I am absolutely thrilled to be here today, sharing something truly empowering with you all. Get ready to unlock a secret to feeling decades younger. Many believe this decline is simply an unavoidable part of getting older. They think, well, I'm just not as strong as I used to be, that's life. But what if I told you that regaining muscle strength, even in your 70s and 80s, is absolutely possible? And that those gains can be comparable to someone in their 40s? Yes, you heard that right. You can turn back the clock on your physical strength. I'm going to share with you one daily habit that can revolutionize your well-being. And the best part? It doesn't involve complicated routines or grueling hours at the gym. This is about smart, consistent effort, not extreme exertion. Today, we're unveiling the secret to reclaiming your vitality. Get ready to regain your strength, mobility, and zest for life. So, what is this magical habit? The answer is consistent, progressive resistance training. Consistency means making this a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Think of it as an essential appointment you keep with yourself. Aim for at least 30 minutes, most days of the week. It's a small time commitment that yields enormous returns. Consider it like brushing your teeth. You wouldn't skip that, right? This is just as fundamental for your long-term health and well-being. Now, let's talk about the progressive part. This is the real key to unlocking those incredible gains. Progressive means gradually increasing the challenge to your muscles over time. It's about constantly pushing yourself just a little bit further. Start with bodyweight exercises. These are fantastic because they require no equipment and can be done anywhere. Think squats, push-ups, modified against a wall or chair if needed, and planks. These are all excellent starting points. As you get stronger, you'll want to add resistance. This could be dumbbells, resistance bands, or even household items like water bottles or cans. The goal is to constantly challenge your muscles to adapt and grow. This is how you build strength and regain that youthful vitality. Resistance training simply means forcing your muscles to work against a force. This could be your own body weight, free weights, or resistance bands. This process stimulates muscle protein synthesis. That's the process where your body builds and repairs muscle tissue. It's like sending a signal to your muscles saying, "Hey, we need to get stronger." And your body responds by building new muscle fibers. Now, let's talk about the incredible benefits of regaining muscle strength. It's about so much more than just aesthetics. Improved mobility is a huge benefit. Everyday activities like walking, climbing stairs, and carrying groceries become easier and safer. Stronger muscles significantly reduce your risk of falls. This is crucial for maintaining your independence and preventing injuries. Muscle tissue burns more calories than fat tissue. So, building muscle helps to enhance your metabolism and manage your weight. Resistance training also increases bone density. This reduces your risk of osteoporosis and fractures, keeping your bones strong and healthy. And let's not forget the mental well-being benefits. Exercise is a fantastic mood booster, combating feelings of isolation and improving your overall outlook on life. Remember, this doesn't require expensive equipment or a fancy gym membership. You can do this at home with minimal investment. Focus on the key elements: consistency and progressive overload. Make it a daily habit and gradually increase the challenge. It's never too late to reclaim your strength and vitality. You have the power to transform your physical well-being. So, I encourage you to get started today. Take that first step towards a more vibrant, independent, and fulfilling life. You deserve to feel strong, energetic, and confident. Embrace this daily habit and unlock the incredible potential within you. click the subscribe button using your strong muscles. Stay healthy. Let's discuss in the comments.